Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Kim Joshua Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. Creating purchase order. A purchase order is a document used to request and authorize the purchase of goods or services from a vendor. It serves as a legally binding contract between the buyer and the seller, outlining the details of the transaction. To create a purchase order, click the search icon and enter purchase orders, then choose the related link. Click New to create a new purchase order. Choose the vendor from whom you're purchasing. You can select from existing vendors or add a new one if necessary. Enter the items you want to purchase along with their quantities. Double-check the details of the purchase order to ensure accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments. Once finalized, post the purchase order to officially create the transaction in your system.